Oh, what we have here today is a new Cobra 29 LTD Chrome. Radio is modified, has a super modulation swing kit, has a turbo echo board mounted to the chassis on the inside. Radio has been peaked and tuned. If you want to add a linear, man, it's plug and play. Just do it. It's tuned for it. Got a set of dead key 2 watts. Swings around 20. Nice strong radio. Audio. Audio check. 1, 2. Hello. Sale will include everything. Mic, power cord, bracket, box, owner's manual. It is a new radio. What you see is what you will receive. Make somebody a really nice, strong mobile unit.